So we just harvested these figs from our tree. I left out the ones which were not completely ripe, and these are the ones which are really ripe. So about 270 grams. So they are really heavy. Okay, so now I have washed them. So now we need to prepare them. So the first thing we want to do is that cut off the top part of the fig. I mean, mostly because it is kind of hard a little bit. So we are going to make a chutney out of fig. We normally eat them fresh, but there are so many of them growing that it's hard to eat all of them raw. So that's why I figured out this recipe. So that's what I'm going to do. So then just chop them in medium size pieces, because they are all in any case going to get cooked and they'll be all mushy, so it doesn't matter. Figs are really good for your stomach. They have a lot of fiber. Okay, so our figs are ready, and here I have a piece of ginger that I have peeled, and then I'm just going to grate it fine. So this combination comes out very good. It was about an inch long piece, a thick one. So maybe about a tablespoon of grated ginger on this. So for this I'm going to use red chili flakes, some sugar, white vinegar, and salt. That's all you need. So let's wait for this to heat up. So I'm going to just add the chopped figs and ginger in this. Add a little bit of water, maybe even less than 1/8 cup. And in this I'm going to add a little bit more than 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then just wait. So you can see that it has started sizzling, and we want to soften it up and also the ginger to get cooked. So I'm going to reduce the heat and just cover it up, so it will be faster. It will cook in its own steam. It's been a few minutes now. Even figs are leaving some water, you can see, and it is becoming pulpy. That's what we want. It's been few more minutes, and now I can actually smell the fragrance of the figs. I want to add a little bit more water here, just a little bit, because it's starting to dry up, but this is looking good. Now we can add all our spices. So vinegar to give, because this is already a little bit sweet, so let's say 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And of course then you can choose how much sour you like. So I'm just putting half teaspoon or 3/4 of a teaspoon of red chili flakes. You can decide what you want. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it up. Chutney is something that is like mixed together, mashed together, and you want to lick it again and again because it's so tasty. So this has sweet and sour and spicy because of the chili flakes. Let me taste it now. It's getting there. I want more vinegar. Actually, let me add lime in it. So just approximately, like 1 teaspoon of lime. I want a little bit more salt. Little bit more chili flakes and little bit more sugar. So right now the flavors are really mild, and you want, I mean, it depends on what you like, but you want sweet and sour and spicy at the same time. So there is no hard and fast rule. Main thing is that you want to add ginger because it gives it a very nice flavor, and rest of the things as per your taste. Let me taste it again. Yep, this is perfect. I'll let it cook for maybe another minute or so, and then we can serve it. So this is ready. I'm going to turn it off, and now let's serve it. So I have my sourdough bread piece. I just love to eat it with my bread in breakfast. I just put it here and then eat it. Right now it is hot. I'm not going to try it, but I can tell you it is really tasty. And once it cools down, store it in refrigerator. You can easily store it for a week or 10 days. So let's take it out in a bowl, and our fig chutney is ready to serve on a toast. You can even eat it with any other bread you like. I just enjoy it on my toast in the morning in breakfast. So it's really easy to make. Just mix up. It has no butter, no oil. Just mix up some grated ginger, chopped figs, chili flakes, sugar, lime, vinegar, and salt, and that's about it. Just cook it for 10-15 minutes and fig chutney is ready. It's so good. Sweet, tangy, spicy. Love it. So I hope this video was interesting to you. If you have any questions about the recipe, please ask it in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy cooking. Bye.